our channel. In today's class we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2 in 8th class mathematics. So in the previous videos we completed exercise 1.1 and also how can we represent the rational numbers on the number line we have already discussed. So based on the representation of rational numbers on the number line, so we are going to solve 1.2 exercise. Before that, in the page number 50, so they have given try these small questions. So try to solve this. So this is the try this question number 1. So we have to fill up the A, B, C, D, E and F values. Okay. So 0 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. So simply we can guess it as 1 by 5. Okay. 3 by 5 after 4 by 5 and then 5 by 5 and then 6 by 5 and then 7 by 5 and then 8 by 5 and then 9 by 5 and then 10 by 5. This is a simple question and it's a beautiful question. Now we are going with the second problem. So this is the second question, minus 7 by 4 and then S R and then minus 1 and then Q and then minus 2 by 4 to minus 1 means this is one unit part. One unit part is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. One unit part, that is negative side, 0 to left hand side. So 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means we can write it as, this part we can write it as minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4 and then minus 4 by 4 means what? 4 1 is 4 1 is minus 1. And then they have continued the 4 denominator means, so minus 5 by 4 and minus 6 by 4 and then minus 7 by 4. So this is about try this. Represent minus 13 by 5 on the number line. Represent minus 13 by 5 on number line. Minus 13 by 5 on number line. Okay. So minus 13 by 5, we are going to represent this rational number on the number line. So what is the first step? Tell me what is the first step. In the first step we have to decide the given rational number is, the given fraction is a proper fraction or improper fraction. So 13 minus 13 by 5. So numerator is bigger than denominator. So this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, this is an improper fraction. So when the given fraction is improper fraction, according to the condition we have to convert these to mixed fraction. Then only we can represent on the number line easily. Okay, so I am going to divide numerator with the denominator. 5 to is 10. So 3 is the remainder. So we are going to write remainder as a numerator, divisor as a denominator and quotient is whole part. 2, 3 by 5. Okay. Now the value of minus 13 by 5 lies in between minus 2 comma minus 3. Lies in between minus 2 comma minus 3. So I am going to take rational number. Here it is minus 3. There it is minus 2. And then the remaining numbers will be there on the number line. So in between the minus 2 and minus 3 place, I am going to divide it as 5 equal parts. Okay. 5 means I am going to put 4 marks. Okay. So minus 2 and then 3 by 5 means 1, 2, 3. 3 by 5. This is minus 2, 3 by 5. That equal to minus 13 by 5. In two rational numbers. So small formula is there. We are going to learn at first before going to 1.2 exercise. So if a comma b are two rational numbers, if a comma b are two rational numbers, so in between a and b, to find out the rational number in between a and b, there is a formula. So main formula, that is a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. So a comma a plus b by 2 comma b. So in between two rational numbers, when we want to find out a rational number in between two rational numbers, so we are going to apply this formula, that is main formula, a plus b by 2. We have to add and we have to divide with 2. Okay, so this is one method. Make them as like fractions. We have to make them as like fractions, and then we are going to write the rational numbers. Okay, so by taking one example, I am going to explain. So 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So find out one rational number in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So mean method. First method is mean method. By using this method, what is the formula? A plus b by 2. So by using this formula, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 by 2. Okay, so these fractions are unlike fractions. I am going to convert to like fractions. Okay, into 2 by 2 whole by 2. 1 3 is a 3 by 3 2 is a 6 plus 2 2 is a 4 by 3 2 is a 6. Okay, so 4 plus 3. Now these fractions are converted to like fractions. 4 plus 3 7 by 6 by 2 means 2 by 1. Fractions division. So first fraction remains same, division converts to multiplication. Second fraction reciprocal, 1 by 2. 2 by 1 means 1 by 2. So 7 1 is 7 by 6 2 is 12. So the rational number between these two rational numbers is 7 by 12. Okay, so this is one method. This is to divide first fraction with second fraction denominator and second fraction with first fraction denominator. So 1 3 is a 3 by 3 2 is a 6. 2 2 is a 4 by 3 2 is a 6. Okay, now these fractions are converted to like fractions, but this I am going to multiply same number with the numerator and denominator. So first fraction I am going to multiply with 2, and then second fraction also I am going to multiply with 2. So 3 2 is 6 by 6 2 is 12, 4 2 is 8 by 6 2 is 12. So in now these fractions are converted to like fractions. In between 6 and 7, 6 and 8 we can write 7. Okay, 7 by 12. So in mean method also we got 7 by 12. In this is represent these numbers on the number line. Okay, question number 1 is 9 by 7, and then 2 is minus 7 by 5. This is question number 1. So represent these rational numbers on the number line. They have given this question. So 9 by 7. It was 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 is a improper fraction. Improper fraction. So I am going to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. I am going to divide numerator with denominator. 7 1 is 7. So if we write as mixed fraction, remainder has a numerator, divisor has a denominator, quotient has whole part. So the value of 9 by 7 lies in between 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 comma 2. So this is a number line 0 1 2. Okay, in between 1 and 2 we have to divide 7 equal parts, means 6 marks. 6. Okay, so between 1 and 2 place divided into 7 equal parts. So we have to mark second part 2 by 7, that is 1 2 by 7, that is 9 by 7. Okay, now we are going with second problem. So minus 7 by 5 is also improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, now I am going to divide numerator with denominator. 5 ones are 5, 2 is the remainder. So remainder has a numerator, divisor has a denominator, quotient has whole part. So these fractions value also lies in between. Minus is there now, so minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so I am going to take minus side number line. Okay, minus 1 and then minus 2. So in between minus 1 and minus 2 place I am going to divide has 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 5 equal parts. So what is the numerator? 2. We are going to consider second part, that is minus 1, 2 by 5, that is minus 7 by 5. Simple. If we understand the actual method, actual process, we can solve a number of problems very easily and interestingly. Okay. Now we are going minus 9 by 13. So represent these on the number line. The given question is represent these on the number line. So all are proper fractions. So the value of the these fractions lies in between 0 and 1 or 0 and minus 1. Okay, so first fraction and third fraction are negative sign, having negative sign, negative fractional rational numbers, and middle one is positive rational number. Okay, so 0, 1, minus 1. Okay, so in between 0 and 1 we are going to divide it as 13 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. And also 0 to minus 1 in between the place we are going to divide it as 13 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 means 13 equal parts. So minus 2 by 13. 0, minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13. Okay, and then minus 9 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13. Okay, minus and also minus 2 by 13, and then 5 by 13, 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13. This is the required rational number showing on the number line. Okay, so I am going to end today's class up to second problem. We completed in today's class. Now I am going to end today's class. So I think you understood well introduction and first two problems we completed. If you think this is a useful video for you and your children, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.